You got to clap it up. Bring it up. Oh. There we go.
Brickmaniacs, welcome back to another episode of Brickmania TV, Designer's Desk. With me, my name is Andreas, and I'm here with...
Slam. My name is Slam.
Yeah. So,
Andreas, what do we have today?
Yes, we have a new kit. That is a Jûlkat. That's how you pronounce it. It's a Danish recon vehicle.
So the Danes got their hands on some second-hand American hardware.
They did, and yeah, it's so this is all like cobbled together gear and equipment. It looks very apocalyptic almost. It's one of the strangest vehicles I worked on. It looks so weird. I don't know how it actually works looking like this. I mean, what is this?
I mean, it's like they took this armored vehicle and then took the roof off, made it a convertible.
Yeah.
And then decided they had taken too much armor off of it, so they put some roof back on that they got from a snowplow somewhere, right? So it's just like the top of the cab is just this wedge shape.
Snowplow shape.
Yep. Yeah. It definitely feels like they're in a post-apocalyptic wasteland.
Yeah. So that's one of the things that really interested me about this one is that it's probably one of the ugliest vehicles I've seen in real life, but it's so much fun to make. I mean, it's very strange and very cool at the same time. So I'm just going to talk shortly about what this actually does. It's Danish, from the Danish army. It's a reconnaissance vehicle. We have a flag here that is the flag of Bornholm, or I think that these were made, and a lot of the crew who worked on this were from Bornholm, which is either an island or on an island. I mean, everything in Denmark is on an island, but...
Is that true?
Yeah, I think so. Denmark is 3 big islands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, geography is not our...
we build things with Lego.
Yeah, we don't claim geography. So it's a reconnaissance vehicle. Some research I've found said that also the Rangers were using them. They were used in Afghanistan, mostly early 2000s until like late 2010s. And then now they were sent back to Denmark because Denmark is no longer in Afghanistan. So now they're all painted green. So this is the Afghanistan colors. So the doors and a lot of the armament here is actually Kevlar. And it's very cobbled together. Like let me just show up real quick here. Like some of these plates here are like metal plates that they would pull up, so you have like a shield in front of you. So there's no windscreen. It's just a couple of bars that hold this thing together, and 2 machine guns, sometimes more. I mean, this is an MG42 or an MG3. I couldn't really tell which one it is. One of those, and on the top you have an M2HP, which, yeah. And
this one?
This is a Danish standard rifle, aka a hot dog. I mean, I had to put that Easter egg in there. If you've ever been to Denmark, or if you're planning to go to Denmark, you should try the hot dogs. And they're famous for being super bright red, like Lego red. So that was the perfect piece to use for a Danish rations or a rifle.
Just lunchtime?
Lunchtime, snacking. Yeah, so we can talk about the prints here. I mean, there's a lot of prints and
there's some prints.
Canvases.
So yep, I did the flag, which is like that strange green and red Bornholm flag. This big tarp in the back is an example of Danish T99 camo. That comes in 2 different color schemes. This is the desert camo of that.
Yeah.
All the photos of these in the field, they're just, again, covered with stowage, different bags, backpacks. So we did 2 different backpack tiles, and those are on both sides.
Yeah.
And the one of the Jûlkat that's in the museum has this great little stencil, like field improvised stencil of Jûlkat on the hood.
Yeah.
That's pretty great.
Yeah.
There's a new grill print on this one, and the front grille as well. So that's a well-ventilated motor on this guy.
Yeah.
And then comes with 2 figures, of course, which were designed by Amanda.
Yeah.
Representing our Danish recon troops.
Yeah. or rifleman, I guess.
Rifleman.
But it's very cool, very well made. The Jûlkat also actually means hedgehog. So it's not
has nothing to do with Christmas.
It's not a Christmas cat.
Okay.
It's a hedgehog.
Prickly little guy.
Yeah.
How many shovels does it come with?
It comes with one shovel, and it
Okay.
comes with a bunch of smoke launchers. So smoke grenades on the back here, smoke grenades on the front. You have these cool mirrors. This is an antenna. This is supposed to be a retracted antenna, so this one could also be another antenna. And they have two different thicknesses of some other antennas on the front here. At first I thought they were the same, but I look closer. This one is actually thicker, so that's why I get one of the Harry Potter ones and a bar here. And another antenna. I mean, they got antennas all over. I assume there's probably a radio inside somewhere.
More than likely a few radios inside.
Yeah.
I mean, if they're doing recon work, then they absolutely need to be in communication.
Yeah. So funny enough, this only has 3 doors, because on the side here, one door for the gunner, but no door here because there's a spare wheel here. So if you want another guy in here, you'll probably have to scoot in here, or that's probably where you put your radios. Yeah. So these guys actually got gaming chairs of some sorts. Like, they have really comfortable chairs with big head support. So I tried to get that in there.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, pretty funny.
Lightweight, comfortable. Yeah, chairs, and not too expensive.
Yeah. So all the doors open. Door in the back, door in the front here for the driver. You can get your driver in there. You have a turret on the top that rotates very smoothly. You can easily get a guy in there. And also a door in the back. So
it's a super unique little vehicle.
Very unique. So
yeah, I don't know if any of us were aware of this one, so thanks for bringing it to our attention.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a fun kit. It was on limited edition pre-order, so it's about to ship out, or when you're watching this, it's probably already shipped out. So if you want to get it, there's probably some in stores for a limited time.
Okay.
It's not coming back. Let's have a look at the figures here. So they have the same uniform, but they have different heads. Oh, look at this guy. This guy got a mustache as well. Handlebar mustache, pretty cool. Very Danish looking. The other guy got some gunner glasses, recon glasses.
So ammo pouches on the front. It looks like it's just, yep, okay. Again, that unique Danish T99 camo all over. Yeah, it's fairly basic guys, but also not at all. Because I don't think we've done Danes before.
No, this first actual Danish figure from Brickmania. Printed headgear as well. That's an MCH helmet from Brick Arms. Yeah, pretty cool. Turned out great. I hope we can actually get them standalone at some day, but right now our printers are just running full capacity.
This is true.
At some point it would have been cool to have the French, the Danish, and all the different riflemen as standalone, but it's very hard to keep the printers running.
We're busy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The funny thing about most of the reference photos I found of these guys, they were actually just wearing t-shirts. So if you want to have more guys in your crew, get a tan MCH helmet, get a t-shirt, and some
shorts.
Shorts, yeah.
Yep.
So I'll just put t-shirt guys in here.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think that's about it for us today.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in to another Brickmania Designer's Desk studio, interview, discussion.
Review of sorts.
And again, we'll see you next time. Thanks, Andreas.
Thanks for watching.